Let's say that we had log base 5 times 6. So since this is log base 10, let's say I want to rewrite this 5 in terms of base 10. Okay. 5 equals 10 to the a power. A is just whatever, some exponent. It's going to be some weird decimal, but some exponent that if I apply to 10, I'll get 5. Okay.
Yeah.
It's the same thing with 6. Let's say that 10 to the b power gives me 6. Okay. So then instead of writing 5 times 6, I'll write log base 10 to the a power times 10 to the b power. Okay. Does that make sense? So now notice I have 10 to the a times 10 to the b. What's going to happen there?
That would end up being 10 to the a plus b.
Yeah. Log base 10 to the a plus b. What's this log asking for?
It's asking what off the base of 10 would give you 10 to the ab.
10 to the a plus b. So what is that exponent that would get you 10 to the a plus b if we're in base 10?
If we're in base 10, it would just be a plus b.
Yeah, exactly. This cancels out. It would equal a plus b, right?
Yeah.
Well, what do we define a and b as? We defined a as the exponent that gets you to 5, b as the exponent that gets you to 6 with base 10.
Yeah.
If we take these expressions, how do we rewrite these in log form?
It would be a equals log of 5.
Yeah.
And then same thing with 6 and b.
Okay, yeah. Notice we can just plug these in for a and b, right? If you compare the initial problem with the result, what do you notice then?
It's pretty much the same, but with logs, basically you could have just distributed the log. So
Yeah, and what's the operation then? Notice that it's instead of log of 5 times 6, we get log 5 plus log 6. The reason we ended up with the plus is because when we rewrote the 5 times 6, right, we rewrote this as 10 to the a times 10 to the b, but then we applied the exponent rule. We get a plus b. And the reason that we wanted base 10 is then we can cross out the log. So the result of this is just a plus b. And then you have to go back and realize, okay, well, what did we define a and b as? Well, a is the exponent that you raise 10 to get to 5. B is the exponent that you raise 10 to get to 6. We can rewrite those in log form, and then that just becomes log 5 plus log 6. Overall, if you're taking the log of a product, you'll end up with separate logs that are added together of the factors.
Okay.
That makes sense. So that's where this multiplication rule comes from.
All right.
Logs.